Are you tired of flipping bottles? If so, we have a new use for them. We have come up with an idea that will revolutionize the average bird feeder. What is it, you ask? Well, we have created a way to feed multiple birds and give them water all in one. Did you know 50 million Americans feed birds each year and spend over $830 million on them? When you use our bird feeder, it's cheaper and definitely won't cost you millions of dollars. Even if you get sick of it and want to throw it away, no worries, it can be recycled. Don't be the 4 out of every 5 people in the U.S. that doesn't recycle plastic bottles.